Let's make pancakes! It's one of my favorite American classic breakfasts, so they're gonna come out super fluffy and I'm gonna show you how to make those at home. It's so simple and it looks like you've put in more work than you actually did. So welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Lilia and today I'm gonna show you this recipe. So if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my recipes. And without further ado, let's get going. No more lumps. This is the consistency as well. It's not super runny, but it's also not super thick. If you have time, let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight so it can develop its flavor. If not, you can use it right away. I run a little bit of a neutral oil each time I make a pancake, just so that they don't stick. Can I give this a good stir? Use 1 ladle mix. This is my favorite way to cook up pancakes in a cast iron type of little skillet thing. So I did it on medium high heat and then adjust the temperature accordingly, depending on how dark I want my pancakes to be. You know, things that make me happy in this world. This is a pretty big stack. I already had a bite of this, but gotta do a taste test, right? Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's huge. So here it goes. Oh my gosh, I want to dig in all in one bite. I really hope you make this recipe because it's truly good. And it was perfect with coffee or tea. So I hope you give this a try and enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And I will see you in the next video.